I don't think I ever told this story. It's really just me getting scammed hundreds of dollars. So last year, I invested in an educational TikTok program with a TikTok coach. And on his social profiles, he's mostly prominent on YouTube. He talked so much about like all of these TikTok tips and like insider information that he had that other people didn't have. He also guaranteed that you would gain a certain amount of followers. And I was like, okay, guarantee, like, I'll try it out. I mean, if it doesn't work, I get my money back, right? It's fine. Everything is fine. Obviously, I was curious enough to dish out the money, and I did. I think it was around $400 or $500, which, thank God, in the grand scheme of things, I think that's actually, like, not a ton of money to spend on a program compared to a lot of other programs I've invested in. So I'm thankful that it was only that much. So once I got into the program, it was very clear that this was kind of like not at all what I expected. It first started with a course and all of the videos were like no more than 2 minutes long. And I was like, that seems questionable. The whole draw was that he was going to give me one-on-one advice. And so it was basically supposed to be like every week he would tell me how many TikToks to post and how long they should be and what topics I should cover. And his emails had like no punctuation. He would literally like copy and paste things that I'm sure he was sending to other people. And there was never any like evidence to back anything up. So he would send me an email, no punctuation, just be like, make all your TikToks 7 seconds this week. And I would be like, oh, okay. And I would do it and nothing would happen. And then the next week he'd be like, never mind, you need to make them 30 seconds. I'd be like, okay. This man was just literally scamming me, okay? So obviously I get to the end of the program and I'm like, sir, nothing has happened. I would like a refund. I need my $500 back, please. Obviously, I never got an answer. Okay. Tried it a few times, tried to reach out in many different places, never got any sort of response. Not that I honestly expected one after the experience that I had while I was actually in the program, not asking for money back. What I learned from this experience was that if you are selling a product as a creator or a coach or whatever it is, you need to really build trust and reliability and authenticity with your audience, because it's really easy for someone to buy something, but then to actually like get the value out of it and feel like they got their money's worth, that is the most important part, because that's when they'll go tell all of their friends. And in this situation, needless to say, because I didn't have any trust, he didn't have any authenticity or anything like that, the only reviews that he got from me were bad reviews, including this one. So there's your lesson for the day. Don't invest when they guarantee you're going to gain followers. I think that is red flag.